Hello my dear students, welcome all of you to our YouTube channel called Maths GNR. So today we will see vector calculus semester 6 of BSc Mathematics of Kakatiya University. Right, we will see today unit number 3. Vector calculus unit number 3. The name of this unit number 3 is gradient, comma, divergence and curl, gradient, comma, divergence and curl. So this unit number 3, gradient, divergence and curl, is mainly concerns with and is mainly deals with partial differentiation of vector field and scalar field. Okay, the mainly this unit number 3, gradient, divergence and curl, is mainly deals with partial differentiation of scalar quantity and partial differentiation of vector quantities even. So before looking into this unit number 3, we will learn few notice points and then we will solve problems of unit number 3. Right, quickly we will see notice number 1. So that notice number 1 is this one: if pi of x comma y comma z is equals to constant is a scalar field, then gradient of pi is denoted as del pi and is defined as grade pi is equal to del pi, that is equal to dou by dou x E1 times dou by dou x plus E2 times dou by dou y plus E3 times dou by dou z into scalar field pi. Again that will be written as grade pi is equal to del pi is equal to, if you operate this pi inside the brackets, you will get E1 dou pi by dou x plus E2 dou pi by dou y plus E3 dou pi by dou z. So this is what exactly the gradient of scalar field pi of x comma y comma z is equal to constant. In this, here E1, E2, E3 are the unit vectors along x, y, z. Now even this can be written as del pi is equals to, in simple notation if you want to write, dou pi by dou x comma dou pi by dou y comma dou pi by dou z. So here del pi, which is gradient of pi, is equal to defined as dou pi by dou x comma dou pi by dou y comma dou pi by dou z. Here this operator is called del operator, del, or nabla. if you operate any scalar field onto this operator, you will get this component dou pi by dou x comma first component, dou pi by dou y as a second component, dou pi by dou z as a third component. So that is the way to compute gradient of any scalar field. Basically, in geometrically, what is exactly meaning of gradient of scalar field means, so if you consider any level surface, gradient of scalar field is always perpendicular to this field, perpendicular to this scalar field. So where f is equal to, suppose pi is equal to function which is equal to constant, okay, and this one is del phi. So del pi is nothing but the perpendicular vector to the level surface, pi is equal to c. In simple, gradient means which is a perpendicular vector to the given level surface. So that is what exactly the meaning of gradient of pi, how to compute gradient of pi. Now next we will see second notice point quickly. Second notice point is this one. The vector normal to the level surface, the vector normal to the level surface can be find out by using simply computing del f to the level surface. Suppose f is equal to x comma f of x comma y comma z is equal to c. To this level surface, if you want to compute normal vector, simply compute gradient of f. So that gradient of f is equal to, you know that, dou f by dou x as the first component of del f, dou f by dou y as the second component of del f, dou f by dou z. If you compute this one, that is enough to compute vector normal to the level surface. And notice number 3 here quickly. Notice number 3, the unit normal vector to the level surface, to the surface f of x comma y comma z is equal to c is the unit normal vector to the surface f of x comma y comma z is equal to c is n cap is equal to del f by, okay, here surface is given, okay, to the surface f of x comma y comma z equal to c is given. To the surface, if you want to compute what is unit normal vector, so formula is n cap is equal to del f by mod del f, del f by magnitude of del f. So that is what unit normal vector to the surface. Now next to notice point fourth one, the directional derivative of a scalar field, f of x comma y comma z is equals to c in the direction of a vector a bar is del f dot a by magnitude of a. So to compute the directional derivative of a vector of a scalar field f of x comma y comma z equal to c in the direction of given vector a bar is del f dot product a by magnitude of a. And last notice point is this one, notice number 5. If theta is angle between angle between two surfaces, f1 of x comma y comma z is equal to c1 and f2 of x comma y comma z is equal to c2 is cos theta is equal to del f1 dot product del f2 by magnitude of del f1 dot magnitude of del f2. Now suppose if you want to compute the angle between two surfaces, formula is this one: cos theta is equal to del f1 dot del f2 by magnitude of del f1 and del f2. So notice number 2 is for vector normal to the surface. Simply compute gradient of f. And notice number 3, the unit normal to the surface, the unit normal vector to the surface f of x comma y comma z is n cap is equal to del f by mod del f. And notice number 4, the directional derivative of a scalar field f of x comma y comma z equal to c in the direction of a vector a bar is given as del f dot vector a by magnitude of that vector. If you want to compute the angle between two surfaces, cos theta is equal to del f1 dot del f2 by magnitude of del f1 and del f2. Quickly we will solve one problem, then you will understand. Okay, problem number 1 for today's session. Problem number 1, find the unit normal vector, to the surface x square plus y square minus z is equals to 0 at the point 1 comma 2. Okay, this problem is very clearly given to you. We need to compute unit normal vector. We need to compute here what is unit normal vector to the surface x square plus y square minus z equal to 0 at the point 1 comma 2. So quickly solution to this one. Given surface x square plus y square minus z equals to 0. First and foremost, every time we need to write what is exactly given, so that you will get the idea what is we need to compute over here. Therefore, given surface x square plus y square minus z equal to 0 is the given. To find unit normal vector, there is a formula. What is formula? N cap is equal to del f by magnitude of del f. So therefore consider this is equal to f. F is equal to x square plus y square minus z equals to 0. So compute partial derivative of this surface over x, z, y and z. So that will be dou f by dou x is equals to 2x and dou f by dou y is equals to 2y. Dou f by dou z is equal to minus 1. But we need to evaluate at the point 1 comma 2. Therefore dou f by dou x at the point 1 comma 2 will be x is equal to 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 2. Therefore here x remains. Therefore 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Dou f by dou y is at the point 1 comma 2 will be 2 only. Dou f by dou z at the point 1 comma 2 will be remain same, that is minus 1. Now quickly compute what is gradient of f is equal to, that is del f. Del f is equals to you know that dou f by dou x comma dou f by dou y comma dou f by dou z. But we need to compute at the point 1 comma 2. Therefore to compute gradient of f at the point 1 comma 1 comma 2, that will be is equal to dou f by dou x at the point 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma dou f by dou y at the point 1 comma 1 comma 2 dou f by dou z at the point 1 comma 1 comma 2. So this will be completely equal to, so here if you compute this one, so del f is equal to del f at the point 1 comma 1 comma 2 will be is equal to what? First one here, dou f by dou x at the point 1 comma 1 comma 2 will be 2, and for the second one, second component dou f by dou y at the point 1 comma 1 comma 2 will be, that is also 2, and third component is minus 1. So what is magnitude of this one? Magnitude at the point 1 comma 1 comma 2 will be, so square root of first component plus square root of second component plus square root of third component. So that will be 2 square plus minus 1 whole square. So this will be square root of 4 plus 1. So this is equal to square root of 9. So that is square root of 9 will be 3. Now you got magnitude of this one equal to 3. Therefore unit normal vector n cap is equal to del f by magnitude of del f, that will be is equal to, del f is equal to what? 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma minus 1 by magnitude of this one is equal to 3 only. So that will be written as 2 by 3 comma 2 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3. So this is what required unit normal vector to the given surface x square plus y square minus z equal to 0 at the point 1 comma 1 comma 2. So that is the way to compute unit normal vector to the given surface. Up to this is enough. We will meet in the next session. Once again go through this video. Thank you for watching this video. And once again thank you all of you. See you tomorrow. Thank you.